So it's time for the Purple Powerhouse. This is a smoothie that'll keep you full and deliver energy as well. So in goes some nectarine together with some strawberries and some beetroot. The beetroot is really the key energy source here with nitric oxide. We're also going to add in some plums and just one fig. To that, some coconut yogurt. This is really creamy, so it's going to be purple, creamy and filling. I'm going to add some hemp milk as well, so we'll just do 200 mils of that. Every time I see this one as a nutritionist, it makes me feel really good. Look at these deep pigments. They are fabulous for immunity. So you've got yourself a breakfast that's going to keep you full, boost immunity and deliver energy.